This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Teka sir, baligtad.
Kita ulo.
Are we live now?
Yes sir.
Alright, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po ay live streaming ngayon dito sa Swapi and ISA office. And I would like to thank everybody who was attending our live event here. And para sa inyong mga nasa inyong mga tahanan, sa inyong mga opisina, thank you for attending this very special announcement and information live regarding Infinity Supreme Alliance. So what is Infinity Supreme Alliance? Ito po ay sister company ng Swapi. Okay? Because ang paniniwala po ng management ng ISA and Swapi is that we would like to help enhance everybody's well-being. Kabuuan ng inyong pagkatao. The products of SWA is there to enhance what? Yung inyong mindset po. And right now, we also believe that the perfect companion to a healthy mindset is a healthy what? Healthy body, pangangatawan. Okay? And we have products here that you're going to see. May mga first time kayo maririnig na concepts dito na mga ingredients. I-explain po ng ating partner na si Coach Julius Hiron. Some ingredients po ng ating products dito, masasabi 10 times better than spirulina and barley combined. So, makikita nyo, this is the first time you're going to see this kind of ingredient dito po sa Pilipinas. It's a very powerful ingredient that is 10 times more powerful than spirulina and barley combined. So, ganun po ayon sa research. Okay? So, yun yung tinatawag po na AMA or AFA. I-explain po sa inyo ni Coach Julius later yung concept regarding sa product. And afterwards, I will discuss with you yung regarding sa future marketing plan ng ISA. It's also a revolutionary concept sa industriya ng network marketing. Makikita nyo, there is a very new concept na tinatawag na dynamic with control na very attractive siya. Wala ng maximum per day. Okay, by the way, it's a binary. Wala siyang maximum per day, pero super safe siya, super stable. Okay, so without further ado, I'd like to call on Mr. Coach Julius Heron, who will discuss with you what is this APA, this product that is 10 times more powerful than spirulina and barley combined. Okay, Coach Julius, it's your turn. Use the slides.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Next one. Sige. Hi, good evening. I'm Julius Heron, talking about the products of Infinity Supreme Alliance. Now, we designed ISA to enhance the life and the well-being of everybody. Ngayon, we are opening this exclusively right now for SWA members. So in Supreme Wealth Alliance, what we enhance is the brain, technically the mind. So with Infinity Supreme Alliance, we enhance the body. So, ang nangyayari dito is, with your e-libraries, your technical marketing trainings with SWA, ang dine-develop niya talaga dito is yung utak nyo. And your mind setting. Mostly, it's all about the mind and then yung mental health nyo. With Infinity Supreme Alliance, what we develop or enhance is your physical body. So, hindi naman kayo pwedeng mag-function lang as a human being na ang ginagamit nyo totally is your mind alone. Hindi naman puro utak yan. Siyempre, for example, may times na nagpupuyat kayo, nagpo-post kayo, nagla-like kayo, nag-share kayo. You do have clients or members that are OFWs. So may times na kinakausap nyo sila ng madaling araw, and then some of you guys are also does have work sa, let's say, kinabukasan. So may challenges talaga na minsan puyat ka, pagod ka, you're mentally stressed. So yan yung sinosolve namin with Infinity Supreme Alliance. the goal of the company is to supplement or tulungan si Supreme Wealth Alliance dahil ang needs ni Supreme Wealth Alliance is more on the physical. Pero sobrang nag-excel kayo on your mental. Magagaling kayo sa marketing trainings, sa mga post na ginagawa nyo. You are creative. Yes, that's given already. Ang dine-develop na natin dito is yung pangangatawan nyo naman. That's to support your work with Supreme Wealth Alliance. So, inuulit ko, this is a sister company of Supreme Wealth Alliance. We help and enhance and complement each other. Kaya we are glad to say that we opened this exclusively right now with the members of SWAPI. Some of you guys are questioning kung ano ba yung product ni Infinity Supreme Alliance. We're proud to say that we're the only one who's bringing AFA here in the Philippines. AFA is Aphanizomenon floss aquae. It's a kind of algae, cyanobacteria. So, in comparison to spirulina and barley, which is medyo kilala na sa market, di lang sa networking but also sa offline industry. So, what it does is, it is 10 times potent than spirulina and barley combined. So, bakit wala pa siya sa Philippines? Bakit hindi pa siya kilala since mas malakas or mas potent siya with spirulina and barley? Why? Because of the price and then yung source niya. Kasi the source of AFA sa video. Ang source ng AFA is nasa United States lang. And a certain part in United States. It is found in Mount Klamath Lake. So yung lake, nasa taas ng bundok, and then paiba-iba yung weather doon. Paminsan mainit, paminsan malamig, pero most of the time it's malamig. So, ang spirulina and barley kasi, actually you can do it or you can culture it even sa backyard nyo, sa loob ng bahay. So, madali siyang i-produce. Kaya, most of the companies, their choice to incorporate in their product is spirulina and barley. Kasi ang dali lang nilang i-replicate. Pero with AFA, you can only get it sa United States and specifically in Mount Klamath Lake. And tatlo lang na companies ang nag-harvest ng AFA. And the two remaining companies, they are selling AFA in direct selling companies. Ngayon, si Infinity Supreme Alliance, we partnered with that one company who distributes to us, and then we made it into a new product, and our system for marketing is the MLM industry. And we're proud to say that you guys will join or who's securing the position now will be the first ones to use AFA. So, bakit hindi siya mapipirata or makakopya ng ibang companies or ng, let's say, kung sino mang nagnanais na gayahin si AFA? One is, you need to have a lake na may sediments na panahon pa ng mga taong tabon, nandun na yun. So, paano ka gagawa sa backyard mo ng lake na may sobrang daming minerals, nutrients, and iba-ibang fortifiers that will enhance that certain kind of algae. An algae is a plant. So, given parang malunggay din yan, any other plant. Pero si AFA kasi, he's getting his its source of food doon sa mga
This is a demonstration of
sediments nung
Wirecast.
lake, and then doon sa tamang temperature, tamang weather na nasa taas nung Mount Klamath. So, it's very unique here in the Philippines na if may nagsabi sa'yo na may AFA siya, well, it's either he bought it abroad or he got it from Infinity Supreme Alliance. Back.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
So, with the source pa lang, isa yan sa mga assets nyo if ever you'll be selling or using the products. So, competitor-wise, walang-wala na makakagaya or makakapag-source ng AFA here in the Philippines bukod sa Infinity Supreme Alliance. So, syempre, if may competition, may hirapan kayo ibenta or ipakalat yung product.
This
It's
is a
also given
demonstration of
that
Wirecast.
most of the networking or other companies are selling the same thing. For example, spirulina and barley. Those are available in our competitors already. Ang nagkakatalo lang naman dyan is yung quantity and yung price. So, dalawa lang yan. Pero, what if you're bringing something new that is more potent and more efficient and more beneficial sa katawan ng tao? And here it goes, si AFA,
This is a demonstration of
yun yung
Wirecast.
isa sa mga marketing assets na pwede nyong gamitin sa pagmamarket ng product ni Infinity Supreme Alliance. So, ano ba si AFA? AFA is not a supplement, AFA is not a vitamin, it is not a mineral, but it is a food. Not just a food, but it is also a superfood. In ancient times, it is one of the source of food, but if AFA is not cultured or harvested properly, it is sort of a toxin to your body. But Infinity Supreme Alliance found a way on how to harvest and integrate it into a product that is commonly used by us Filipinos or even the people abroad, which is the common beverages that is served by everyone in your households. So,
This is a
AFA
demonstration of
is
Wirecast.
a complete food already. We just integrated it into some of the drinks that we will be talking later. So, hindi siya yung tipong nabibili mo over-the-counter na vitamins na, let's say, glutathione or whatsoever. Hindi. Actually, isa na siyang buong pagkain. Diba ang konsepto natin, ang pagkain kasi na iniisip natin is yung nangunguyana and then yung nalalasahan. No, but AFA is already a food. So, complete source na siya ng lahat, ng almost ng vitamins from A to zinc and even the antioxidants, the minerals. So, yan. It is said here, it is an antioxidant. AFA contains a wide variety of phytonutrients that promote health, such as chlorophyll, carotenoids, and polyunsaturated fatty acids. So, these are the scientific terms that are technically beneficial to your body. So, we'll not
This is
go
a
or
demonstration
parang
of
scrutinize
Wirecast.
the specific details on what is AFA. Sige, Mark, next. We'll just give you yung mga tipong we found that is affecting or a part of your daily routines na nakaka-apekto sa inyo. For example, stabilized mood swing. So some of us nagkakaroon ng mood swing, ay magtrabaho, tinatamad, ay mag-like, ay mag-share, gusto lang mahiga. So what AFA does is
This is a demonstration
it
of
normalizes your hormonal imbalance to lessen your mood swings, your pagkatamad, and whatsoever. Balance blood sugar level, so yung matataas yung sugar, for example, diabetic. I'm not saying it is a cure, but it aids to those ailments or diseases that you have. Decrease insulin requirement, since it is also the same with the balanced blood sugar levels. And then decrease the side effects of chemotherapy. So, with this itself, itong effect ni AFA na to, meron na agad kayong market or target market. It's already given that maraming pasyente or maraming nagkaka-cancer sa not only in the Philippines but in the whole world. So, doon pa lang malaman nyo na kung sino yung pwede nyong i-target market kahit hindi pa siya networker, but even regular human being na nangailangan ng gamot, kumbaga an alternative to those expensive drugs, you can give AFA. Support a youthful appearance. Just share yung experience namin ni Mr. June Santillana, the COO, CFO of Supreme Wealth Alliance. Actually, kami yung nakatuklas kung nailagay yung AFA dun sa products ni Infinity Supreme Alliance. Before, we were running for like 5 times or 5 to 6 times a week, 5 to 6 hours a day, and swim like 20 hours a week, and then bike for at least 100 hours a week. So, bilad kami sa araw, pagod kami, our body is used by our physical sports. So, we needed something that will at least lessen the deterioration of our body. So, while doing our sports, that's the time we encountered AFA. So, if hindi kami nag-AFA nun, siguro, as in, mukha kaming tuyot, mukha kaming bangkay nung time na gano'n. So, it also enhances your physical well-being or your physical appearance. Isa yan sa mga, kumbaga, flag carrier ni AFA. Maintain healthy cholesterol levels. So, yung mga mahilig sa sisig, pork chop, crispy pata, I'm not saying that it kills the cholesterol in the food, but it aids in lowering the cholesterol of your body down. And again, reverse or delay premature aging by repairing cellular damage. So, well, kilala naman natin na yung iba, bibili ng glutathione. Glutathione, actually, the effect of the pumuputi effect is just a secondary effect of glutathione. What glutathione does is, it helps your kidney. It cleanses your kidney. And kaya ang dating niyan is nagiging parang youthful or younger kayo. So, isipin nyo, yung lahat ng product sa ibang companies, inilagay na natin sa isang drink or sa isang product na hinati-hati pa nila, merong sabon, merong vitamins, merong glutathione, or whatsoever. Sa atin, na isang product na lang siya, nakay-AFA na lang siya. Increase clarity and sharpness of your eyesight. Stimulate, enhance immune system, normalize appetite, naturally promote intestinal regularity. Guys, will shorten this. Technically, what AFA does, it does stimulate your cells, or parang it rejuvenates your cell. So, for example, mga mahihina yung panunaw, or may problema kayo with your heart, any organ of your body. So kung ano yung weakest niya, yun yung tinitira ni AFA. Yun yung kinukure niya. Ang ginagawa niya kasi is, nire-replenish niya yung mga weak cells or yung mga old cells mo to create a new one. So nag-initiate siya ng bagong cell. It's a stem cell technology also that enhances your body. So ang dami-dami mong iniinom, pero ang dami-dami mo rin binibili. With AFA, you just need to buy one product and andun na lahat.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
So, to summarize it, we tried to create a product na all-in na. Kompleto na siya, unique, and kinakailangan. Hindi lang siya want, but it's a need. So, just imagine you in the future selling a product that is a need and not just a want. just imagine replacing most of the drugs if nakilala na tayo or makilala si Isa or technically makilala si Afa. Given na yan, for example, parang toothpaste. Pag toothpaste, naisip nyo agad Colgate. Pag sinabing picture before, may isip nyo agad Kodak. So, we're trying to replace vitamins, vitamin C, glutathione, antioxidant, na pag sinabi na pampabuti sa katawan nyo, what you will remember is AFA. So, as early as now, we're trying to create or we're trying to instill to our members and to our future members na AFA will be a game changer in the networking industry and at the same time will be a game changer in our lives. That company is a Philippine company na magsa-start from the Philippines and will attack globally. So, kung mali pala mag-name drop, kung ibang company na networking pumunta sa Pilipinas, naghanap ng leaders, kumalat dito, now we'll try to change it. Nagsimula sa Pilipinas, aalis tayo ng bansa, and then doon tayo mag-create ng network. That's the dream of Infinity Supreme Alliance. To be a game changer and to have a unique product that is a product that is needed and not just wanted. So here are the 4 products of initial products of Infinity Supreme Alliance. We have VitaBrew, VitaLife, VitaLift, and Vita. So VitaLift, it is a milk tea. We designed this product for mostly yung mga kids. We want our product to be vast na sapol lahat ng market.
This is a demonstration
soon enough, products will be reaching you, matitikman nyo siya, and together with the AFA content of it. Next. VitaLife. This is the, kumbaga, for next. Vita Cafe. Given naman, lahat ng networking may coffee. Pero anong coffee ang may AFA? Wala. Si Infinity Supreme Alliance lang. Si Vita Cafe. VitaBrew. This is I think will be the most best seller of all because it is designed, kumbaga, this is the powerhouse of all drinks. Kasi even doon sa mga nag-taste test, nalaman kung ano yung ingredients niya, it's parang one cure in a cup. Kumbaga, a cure for all in a cup. So that is VitaBrew. In short, it contain even spirulina, ginkgo biloba, and stuff. So, hindi lang AFA yan. Hindi lang AFA yung makukuha nyo doon. But, meron din siyang added ingredients. So, yun nga, with, as I've talked earlier, VitaLift. So, meron din siyang mga ingredients, not just AFA. For example, may moringa, gotu kola, ginseng. That is commonly found in some of the drinks now. So, kumbaga, AFA and together with the other beneficial ingredients that will enhance your body, best player of all, si AFA.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Now, we will be catering for products only, but in the future, and if ma-launch na talaga officially si Isa, we will be discussing to you the future plans and the 2 future products that will lock down your clients for si Isa and kung ano si AFA. So, be prepared na if hanapan kayo ng AFA, ang pupuntahan nyo lang naman is si Isa. Yun lang guys. The next speaker is si Sir Francis na he'll be talking about the pay plan system, which I guess yun yung pinaka-excited kayo. So, in a short period, Sir Francis will be talking to you. Come on! Sao tututok ko rin doon?
is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Hello, so magandang araw ulit. Mic daw. Okay, hello, mic test. Alright, magandang araw ulit sa inyo. We will now discuss the marketing plan, okay, or the upcoming marketing plan of Infinity Supreme Alliance. Excuse me muna, no? Medyo ayusin natin yung ating para malinaw. Yan. Yung ating camera.
This is a demonstration of Wirecast.
Okay. As you can notice po, dito po sa ating harapan, kompleto na yung papers ng Infinity Supreme Alliance. So meron na po tayong barangay clearance, Makati Mayor's Permit, meron na po tayong SEC registration. Nasaan yung SEC natin dito? Yung SEC. So, idadali natin dito later. Kompleto na po tayo, meron po tayong BIR papers. So, para sa mga nag-isip, baka gagawa pa lang ng mga documents ng isa, kompleto na po siya.
This is a
Okay?
demonstration
And
of Wirecast.
in the next few days, ipapakita po tayo ng yung mga stocks po natin. We already have stocks here. We already have boxes. Kompleto na lahat, pati yung mga sachets, yung mga printouts na para sa mga sachets. Kompleto na po tayo. Okay? And kung hindi pa na-announce, those who are purchasing your pre-launch products worth 3,888, starting October 1 po, i-deliver na po sa inyo through our partner, XEND or
This is
SEND.
a demonstration of
Mukhang,
Wirecast.
pwede pa ayos yung lighting natin. Yung lighting. Yan, thank you. Okay, para mas malinaw po yung ating marketing plan. Yan. Okay na siguro. Thank you. So, paano po yung ating marketing plan? Para sa nakararami sa inyo, we are implementing a binary marketing plan. Familiar kayo sa binary? Of course. Binary marketing plan is the #1 marketing plan dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? So many have tried it, pero there is always one problem sa binary marketing plan. Ito po yun, nagko-collapse siya. Okay? Bumabagsak siya, or yung iba, kinakamada siya. Yung tinatawag na kamada, pag kinamada na siya, nagpo-perfect duplication siya, bumabagsak in the end. Okay? So we are implementing a different kind of marketing plan. Sabi po ng ating partner na si Julius Heron, the product of Infinity Supreme Alliance is a game changer. And also, yung ating marketing plan po is also much of a game changer. It's the first time that you're going to see this kind of marketing plan to be implemented po dito sa local network marketing industry. Okay? So, before I go to the marketing plan proper, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung regular, normal binary plan. Paano po siya tumatakbo? Okay, so this is the normal binary plan. Diba po nagsisimula po siya sa isang bilog.
This is a demonstration
Usually that is
of
who?
Wirecast.
You. This is you, diba? Na-miss ko na yun This is you and this is you. Yan. This is you. This is you. Okay. Ilan po yung nakadirect sa you? Ilan? Dalawa lang po. Because this is a binary marketing plan. Ilan po yung nasa ilalim ni you? Nasa ilalim nitong dalawa. Ilan po yan? So magiging dalawa yan.
This is a demonstration
Okay?
of
And then sa ilalim niya, 4. Mapapansin nyo sa regular binary plan, nagdo-double siya. 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes 16. Okay? 16 becomes 32, 32 becomes 64, 128, 256,
demonstration of Wirecast.
okay, 512, 1024, 2048, and 4096. And so on. So ang regular binary marketing plan po, nagdo-double-double yan. And kung if you've been in the binary industry for so long, makikita nyo, this doubling effect is the problem. Because once you do a perfect duplication of this one, ang mangyayari yun, somewhere down the line, mas malaki na yung nagiging payout kaysa sa pumapasok na pera. That's what always happens. Kaya many companies, they're trying to devise so many different kinds of safety net. Okay. Now, ano ba yung isang number one safety net na ginagamit ngayon? Ito po yung tinatawag na maximum per day. Nililimit nila yung maximum entries sa isang araw. So, yung usually meron niyang 16 pairs per day. Di ba? May mga ganyan. After 16 pairs, wala na po yun. Yung excess pairs po ninyo, napupunta na sa company. Pero may disadvantage po yun. Kasi what's happening, kung merong sistema na merong maximum per day, ang nangyayari po niyan, some people, pinipigil nila. Diba? Gusto nila, 16 pairs na pumasok sa kanila sa isang araw. After the 16 pairs, on that same day, pinipigil na nila. Sinasabihan na nila ng mga leaders nila, wag nila po ipasok yan ngayon, bukas na lang. So many people sa ilalim nagagalit kasi gusto na nila mag-join pero pinipigilan sila ng leaders nila. Diba? That's a reality. Nangyayari po yan. Okay. Ang i-implement po ng Infinity Supreme Alliance, walang maximum per day. Okay? Walang maximum per day. But safe na safe pa rin tayo. So how do we do that? Ito po, meron po tayong secret. Tayo pa lang gumagawa nito. Nakita niyo yung doubling effect ng regular binary? Meron din po tayong ganyang classic structure, pero hindi siya altogether doubling effect. Kaya yun ang nagpapasave sa amin. Before mentioning that, starting October 8, ito na po yung magiging regular price ng isang package ng Infinity Supreme Alliance. 9888. Ang basic package. We may have other packages. Pero ito yung basic packages po natin. Basic package. 9,888. Meron na po kayong commensurate products na ganyan po yung value. Magkano po yung direct referral ng DRB or direct referral bonus ng 9888? It is 700 pesos. 700 pesos. Magkano yung pairing? Meron po tayong pairing or matching bonus. 2,000 pesos per pair. 2,000 pesos per pair. Di ba maganda po yan? That's medyo high-end na matuturing po yan. 2,000 pesos per pair. Pero ito yung advantage natin. We will be paying out 2,000 pesos per pair. Walang maximum per day. At saka walang fifth pair coupon. Walang fifth pair coupon. Ibig sabihin, pag umabot ka sa fifth pair, ang ibibigay sa inyo, pera. Hindi papel. Hindi gift certificate. 2,000 pesos pa rin ang mapupunta sa inyo. Okay? So, wala nang maximum per day. Fifth pair nyo, pera pa rin. No GCs. Yan ang advantage po natin. But yet, we are going to be the safest, most stable binary plan. Bakit? Here's the secret. Okay. Ito ngayon yung structure ng Infinity Supreme Alliance. This is you. Merong left, merong right. Okay. Halimbawa, gayahin lang po natin yung nasa kabila. Merong A, merong B. Next is 2, 2, 4, okay, 4,
Demonstration of Wirecast.
8, 8, 16, 16, 32, 32, 64, 64. Okay? So far, makikita nyo pareho ang structuring ng ISA compensation plan at saka ng regular binary plan. Pero this is where things will change. From here, this level 1,
This is
2,
a
3, 4, 5,
demonstration
6,
of Wirecast.
7. Level 7, nagdo-double siya. Nakita nyo? Times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2. Times 2, times 2. Pagdating nyo dito sa 64 na to, hindi na po siya magta-times 2. Safest way you can do it. Okay? Without sacrificing the income of the members. So 160 goes to 200 and so on. Now, nagkaroon po tayo ng simulation. We made a simulation 1 to 20 levels. Okay? 1 to 20 levels. Ang na perfect duplication. Sa presyong 988. Okay? That is a total of 1.5 million people who joined. Perfect duplication. Dito sa normal binary, nag-overpay from repeat purchase. Okay, so these products of ours, ano po yan eh? Yung mga repeat purchase products, ginagamit yan regularly. Pag naubos, bibili ulit. Okay? So yan po, pag bumili po sila ulit, every time may repeat purchase na products, merong points na pumupunta sa binary, merong points na pumupunta sa ating tinatawag na stair step. The stair step is yung ating ranking. So, dito sa Infinity Supreme Alliance, magkakaroon po ng ranking. Executive level, higher level, etc. Yung mga details niyan, we will release it on October 8th. Okay? Now, ang kagandahan po niyan, when you reach a certain rank, high rank, mas mataas, yung inyong dynamic lock or dynamic width control, pwedeng lumaki. So if you're here, at you reach a certain executive level, yung inyong 25% increase na nakalimit, pwede maging 50% na yan. So lalaki siya, depending on your ranking. So the possibilities are endless dito po sa Infinity Supreme Alliance. Okay? So yan po. This is going to be applicable and all the details after October 8. For now, para sa mga nagbayad ng 3888 lang, we will still implement a marketing plan na meron 500 pesos direct referral bonus and 500 pesos na pair. Pero we will also implement this kind of structure. Okay? So yun po yung ating temporary marketing plan para sa mga SWA members na nagbayad ng 3888. Okay? But sa lahat mga nagbayad ng 3888, yung inyong binayad po, okay, you will already be in line. Yung mga products nyo, i-deliver starting October 1. And then, yung structure po ninyo, ay October 1 is, and then yung structure ninyo, ipa-plot yan after October 8 na. Okay, para masundan yung structure ninyo sa Supreme Alliance, yung inyong referral information. Okay? So, Coach, we have any other announcement to them? Nothing bigay. Yung mga nag-sign up ng, para SWA members who want to go to ISA also at nag-sign up kayo, you have 72 hours up after this webinar, 72 hours to complete your payment. Or else, ma-erase po yung inyong sign up, you will have to sign up again. Okay, so, sa mga nag-sign up na, huwag niyo pong sayangin yung inyong pwesto na yan at saka yung usernames nyo kasi mababaliwala yun. 72 hours or within 72 hours from now, submit na po yung inyong mga payments and then October 1, i-deliver sa inyo yung mga products ninyo.
Limited stocks.
Kasi limited stocks. Sabi ni
Slots.
Slots? Slots.
Stocks, hindi.
Oo. Magpapakita si Coach ng ating stock room. Napakarami na nating stocks. Yung slots pala yung limited. Okay? So, any other announcements, brothers?
Yung payment, sir, na yung sa e-wallet nila.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is another good news. Yung mga SWA members who want to submit payment, pwede nyo gamitin yung inyong laman sa e-wallet. Sa inyong e-wallet. $95 ang pwedeng convertible dun sa ating 3888. Okay, yung $95 doon. So, pag wala pang $95 yung inyong income, just make it grow up to $95. $95 na, pwede nyo gamitin yun. Doon sa inyong payout details, ilagay nyo lang upgrade or for joining ISA. Tapos mag-submit nyo inyong commission request.
Is a demonstration.
Titingnan ng ating accounting or IT, tapos i-convert na niya sa purchase ng trade taking. Okay? So any other words, brothers? Okay? Pag meron po kayong question, don't hesitate to ask your leaders. Nandito po sila lahat ngayon. We have already discussed this so many times.
Time to plug this ultimate binary na sobrang lupit. Tayo lang magsisimula ng universal revolution of binary system. So, sa lahat ng mga binary na system ang kilala nyo, ibang-iba tong Swapi. At iba-iba tong ISA. So, congratulations! And then, palakpakan natin si Coach Julius for the marketing of our ISA. At the same time, sharing a research about dun sa APA. So, thank you so much for watching and pasensya na dun sa webinar natin na delay. And then may something na demo, pero okay lang yan. There's always a first time. So, we will do it better next time and we will give you the best that we can do. Thank you and God bless. We are signing off. Jen, pwede sabihin ka ba? Yeah, okay.